In this video, I'm going to show you how to create contact groups for groups of people you may need to email on a regular basis. The first thing you'll need to do is to navigate to contacts.google.com. When you get there, you should see a list of all your contacts. Even if you don't remember entering them, it keeps track of them for you. And then over here, you're going to see Create Label. That will basically be the label that you're going to use. It's like the name of the group. I'm going to go about this a slightly different way so as not to reveal anybody's identity or email address. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for a contact, specifically me. So it brings up my information. And then if you hover over this little tag over here, it says Manage Labels. You're going to want to click on that. And then here are the existing labels that I already have, but I want to create a new one. So I'm going to call this Sample. Now, as a classroom teacher, you might want to have a contact group for all of the students in your class, or a club that you sponsor, or the parents for all of the students in a class, or even a grade level contact group. Whatever you would need, where you need to contact a lot of people all at once to share the same information. So I've got this label that I've created. I'm going to save that, and then it automatically adds that contact. And then you can continue to do this for any contacts that need to be in this group. And that is how you can create contact groups for quickly communicating with members of your team.